Angelina Jolie and the inherited risk of BRCA1 mutation. Recognizing the physical signs of a hereditary cancer risk requires close attention to subtle changes in your daily physical health. For individuals carrying the faulty BRCA1 gene mutation, these physical symptoms often appear long before an official clinical diagnosis. The most common warning sign is the sudden emergence of a distinct hard lump inside the breast tissue. This lump is typically painless to the touch and feels firmly anchored to the surrounding chest structure. Additionally, individuals may notice structural changes in the appearance of the breast, such as the nipple turning inward unexpectedly. Unexplained fluid discharge from the nipple, which may appear clear or slightly bloody, is another critical warning sign. When the genetic mutation targets the ovarian tissues, the physical symptoms shift directly to the lower abdomen. Women frequently experience persistent abdominal bloating, a constant feeling of fullness, and dull pelvic pain that does not subside. This internal pressure is often accompanied by a sudden loss of appetite and rapid, unexplained weight loss. These everyday bodily changes are not routine discomforts or minor hormonal fluctuations. They are the initial physical manifestations of an aggressive cellular transformation occurring deep within the endocrine tissues. The underlying cause of this structural cellular breakdown is directly tied to historical family inheritance and lifestyle triggers. In the case of Hollywood actress Angelina Jolie, her medical choice was driven entirely by a tragic genetic legacy. Her mother, maternal grandmother, and maternal aunt all passed away due to aggressive forms of breast and ovarian cancers. This hereditary pattern occurs because a mutated copy of the BRCA1 gene is passed down mechanically through generations. However, possessing this genetic error is only the baseline vector for potential tumor development. Everyday behavioral choices and environmental habits play a major role in how fast these mutated cells multiply. Chronic sleep deprivation and a frequent midnight work schedule severely disrupt the body's natural nocturnal repair mechanisms. Lying awake under artificial lights suppresses melatonin, which normally acts as a powerful internal antioxidant to neutralize abnormal cells. Furthermore, the regular consumption of alcohol increases circulating estrogen levels, which overstimulates sensitive breast tissue cells. The subsequent use of synthetic hormone replacement therapies after menopause can add massive fuel to this latent genetic fire. These routine lifestyle habits weaken the body's cellular defenses, accelerating the activation of the inherited genetic errors. The extreme danger of a BRCA1 mutation lies in its completely silent progression and devastating global statistics. Because early-stage tumors inside the breast and ovaries do not cause immediate severe pain, they advance undetected for years. By the time a patient feels severe physical distress and seeks medical imaging, the cancer has often reached an advanced stage. Data from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reveals that about 1% of women carry this faulty gene. This small genetic group faces an exceptionally high risk, as a BRCA1 mutation increases breast cancer probability by 5 to 7 times compared to the general population. Globally, the World Health Organization, WHO, reports that breast cancer is the leading cause of oncological death among women, with over 2 million new cases diagnosed annually. In developing countries, the mortality rate remains high because families lack access to genetic testing and routine screening programs. This widespread public health crisis highlights the lethal nature of inherited genetic defects when left unmanaged. Part 2. Prevention strategies, clinical advice for patients and first-degree relatives. Preventing inherited cellular transformation requires aggressive screening and timely proactive intervention. For individuals with a known family history of cancer, taking a dedicated blood test for next-generation sequencing NGS gene analysis is the first mandatory step. If the laboratory results confirm a faulty BRCA1 mutation, patients must evaluate their long-term options immediately. Many women choose to undergo a prophylactic bilateral mastectomy, the same path taken by Angelina Jolie. This surgical removal reduces the biological probability of developing breast cancer by over 95%. If a patient is already diagnosed with the disease, absolute compliance with targeted clinical protocols is non-negotiable. Modern treatments utilize specific PARP inhibitor medications to stop the replication of the damaged cancer cells. Alongside medical therapy, patients must completely remove refined sugars and trans fats from their daily diet. These metabolic choices eliminate the primary energy sources that fuel rapid tumor expansion. Maintaining a resilient, positive mindset is also vital to keep the body's baseline immune surveillance functional. For the close family members of a carrier, understanding genetic probability is a matter of life and death. First-degree relatives, which include children, sisters, and mothers, have a strict 50% chance of inheriting the exact same faulty mutation. Relatives must not wait for visible physical symptoms to appear before seeking medical evaluation. Family members should initiate targeted genetic screening and specialized imaging protocols starting early at age 25. Relying solely on a standard screening mammogram is insufficient for younger women because dense breast tissue can easily hide small nodules. Instead, families must request a high-contrast breast MRI scan every year to track deep tissue integrity accurately. Outside the clinic, women must practice regular and monthly breast self-examinations at home. This physical self-check should be done exactly 1 week after the menstrual cycle ends, when tissue density is lowest. Establishing this strict lifestyle discipline allows the family to regain control over their inherited biological destiny. Part 3. Advanced Biological Research Zone and Concluding Remark. Understanding the precise oncogenic trajectory of a BRCA1 mutation requires a deep examination of cellular double-strand break repair mechanics. In a healthy human cell, genomic stability is continuously maintained by the homologous recombination HR pathway. When ionizing radiation or metabolic stress creates dangerous DNA double-strand breaks, DSBs, the wild-type BRCA1 protein acts as a critical scaffolding agent. It rapidly recruits the BRCA1 recombinase to the site of damage, allowing the cell to use the sister chromatid as a perfect template for error-free repair. However, when an individual inherits a loss-of-function mutation in the BRCA1 gene, this precise molecular repair mechanism collapses completely. The cell is forced to utilize an alternative, highly error-prone pathway called non-homologous end joining, NHEJ. NHEJ physically shoves the broken DNA ends back together without a reference template, introducing massive nucleotide deletions and insertions. This continuous genomic instability disrupts the cell cycle quality control gates and permanently inactivates the TP53 tumor suppressor pathway. The damaged keratinocytes completely bypass the cellular senescence checkpoint, driving unchecked clonal proliferation and initiating malignant breast carcinoma. Thank you for following this clinical analysis of Angelina Jolie's battle with the BRCA1 genetic mutation and inherited cancer risks. If this deep breakdown of cellular DNA repair mechanisms and proactive screening strategies helped you understand your family's biological health, please like, share, and comment below. Have you or your family members ever utilized advanced genetic testing or established early screening habits to protect your longevity? And what was your experience? Let's protect our biological purity and stay resilient together.